In this video, I'm going to continue working through this paper 1, a past paper from 2022. I'm going to be looking at question 3. Please let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Okay, so if you look at question 3, again, they're just checking some basics here. So they want us, first of all, to arrange in ascending order the selection of numbers. Okay, so let's just check we've got our definition. So I always try to remember, so descending has that D in front. So I just say that's going down. Okay, so descending would be from biggest to smallest. So then obviously ascending has to be the opposite. So if we have ascending, we've got from smallest all the way up to biggest. They're trying to trick us a little bit here because we've got some negative numbers. All you've got to remember is that if I try to remember, the number line would go from, say, minus 100, then it would go all the way to 0, and then it would go to positive 100. Okay, so when you're trying to think of numbers like this, we go for what is the biggest negative number. Okay, so first of all, if we look at these, we've got negative 62, that's probably our biggest. So that is going to be our smallest number. Then we go, what's the next biggest is minus 55. Then we've got negative 43. Okay, so we can see you're gradually getting smaller, well, bigger. Then after that, we've got 0, and then 8, and then 25. Okay, so this side, not too difficult to do. That's like our normal common sense. We use that all the time. Then if you just think on this side, this is all, it's got to get bigger going down. Then if we look at 3.2, so we've got evaluate without the use of a calculator. Okay, so this is very much like we did, I think, in question 1 in a previous video. What we're going to do is let's get this written out. So we've got root 49 minus 2. And then at the bottom, we've got 3 add minus 2 cubed times 5. Okay, when we get a question like this, we just got to go step by step, break it down, do what we can, and then it will get simpler. So first of all, I would say let's work with the top of the bracket. So the square root of 49, we can work that out. So the square root of 49, we should know, is 7. So we're going to write that, minus 2. Then let's work with just the bottom. So at the bottom, we've got the 3, can't do much with that. And then minus 2 to the power of 3. So here they are testing you. So what you need to do, minus 2 to the power of 3, if we write it up here. Okay, if you are to write this out, it's going to be minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. And so we're going to get a minus times a minus is a plus, times another minus gives us a minus. And 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So we're going to get negative 8. Okay, so at the bottom then, that minus 2 to the 3 becomes negative 8. And then we've still got that times 5. Okay, so it's already looking a lot simpler. Then I'm going to, again, let's just work what's happening at the top now. So 7 minus 2 is 5 at the top. At the bottom, 3 plus minus 8. So that plus and minus becomes a minus. So 3 minus 8 gives us minus 5. And then we still got that times 5. Okay, getting even simpler. What I would then do is go this fraction. So we can go 5 divided by minus 5 would give us minus 1, and then times 5. And minus 1 times 5 would give us minus 5. Okay, so you've got to keep your head with you as you go through this one. There's lots of different steps, but I would say just break it down part by part and it gets simpler as it goes. Okay, so the final answer for that one is just minus 5. I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any other questions.